Easy steps to perfect idly at home. Welcome to your ultimate guide to making soft and fluffy idly, the perfect South Indian delicacy. We start with two simple ingredients, urad dal and rice. Soak separately for 4 to 6 hours. Now, the magic begins. Grind them into a fine paste. The secret to fluffy idly is patience in grinding. Fermentation is the next crucial step. Leave the batter overnight to ferment in a warm place. The fermented batter is now ready. Pour it into idly molds and steam for 10 to 15 minutes. Serve the piping hot idly with a side of coconut chutney or sambar. A healthy meal is ready. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy cooking and enjoy your homemade soft, fluffy idly.